Hi everybody. Now we're going to continue on to two angles and one side. Okay, two angles and one side. So we call this ASA. 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 Okay. So this one, okay. Notice I have two angles. I can determine two angles. One is this one. Okay, at A. For now is 46.8. So let's say I'll put 60. Okay, and then angle B. Notice it's over here. Angle B. Okay. So let's say I want to put 45.1. Okay. And so I have this angle and this angle. But what else can I change? I can actually change this length as well. Okay. So for ASA, all right, why we say ASA is because angle, side, angle. Angle, angle, side, angle. Okay. All right. Maybe is it a bit hard to see? Okay, the numbers they put very small. So here I have 60, I have the side to be 11.5, and I have the angle to be 45.1. Okay, if you look at here, all right, maybe I try to make it bigger some more. Okay, I hope that you all can see. If you look at this side, okay, notice that the C angle C does not change, but the length of A and B will change if I change the side. What would change the angle is actually the other angle. Okay, this one you should know from your 180 internal angle. Okay, 180 degree internal angle. Okay, so all right, so this is basically just the theory part. So how do we draw this? Okay, I created a question here. So we have angle A to be 45, angle B to be 30, and the side C to be 5 cm. Okay, so we start with the length first. Okay, 5 cm. So let me draw it a bit over here. 5 cm. Okay, in this case you don't really need your protractor. All you need is a compass. Okay, so over here, next I want to do 45 degree first. Okay, so I need to mark 45 degree, which is over here. And then next I want to mark 30 degrees, so which is about here. Okay, so all I need to do is combine now this to this, and then here to here. So if you notice, angle here is 45. Okay, whereas the angle here, this is 30. Okay, so this is B, this side is A. Okay, whereas the length C is 5 cm. Okay, the angle here you can find out 180 minus 30 minus 45, you get 105. Okay, and then the corresponding length as well lah. All right, so this one is actually pretty simple. Okay, so yeah,